Hey there, Autumn from Zappos here, and this is the 30th anniversary Z Cloud X2 from Chaco. This awesome design is part of the 30th anniversary collection for Chaco, which is so cool. It has a partnership with e.dye Waterless Color System. So it shows all these really pretty colors and it eliminates the manufacturing process. So it reduces their water and their energy consumption, which is pretty cool, and helps towards sustainability. So I'm all about that. Got this great polyester jacquard webbed upper. It's 100% vegan friendly. Of course, you can adjust with the ankle buckle at the side and throughout the sandal as well. As you pull on these straps, it kind of gives you a better adjustable fit. Inside's nice and soft. It's got antimicrobial properties for odor control. Nice contoured shape to the footbed. It has the love seat, dual density polyurethane midsole. So you've got arch support. It's the women's specific build too. Flexible with every step, and the bottom is that high performance Chaco grip non-marking rubber outsole that gives you traction in wet conditions. Celebrate 30 great years with a great style from Chaco.